Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time and you have your Roblox recovery codes or access to the linked email. Once done, open the Authenticator app and prepare to scan the QR or paste a manual secret key. This avoids losing account access. Next, sign into Roblox on a browser, navigate to Security right arrow two-step verification, and choose the option to reset or reconfigure your Authenticator. Start that process now. You'll now perform the reconfiguration steps carefully. Select Reset Authenticator in Roblox Security, then either scan the QR code with your Authenticator or copy the manual key into the app. Manual entry avoids camera issues. After adding the account, wait for the 6-digit code to appear and enter it on Roblox to verify. Make sure you type the code before it refreshes. If it fails, resync the app time or re-enter the key. This is why time sync matters. Codes are time-based and must match precisely. Once you enter a valid 6-digit code and Roblox confirms setup, test a full sign-out and sign-in to ensure the Authenticator works reliably. Immediately store the newly issued backup codes in a safe location and enable recovery options like your email or phone. If the code still won't work, clear the Authenticator app data or reinstall it. Try a different Authenticator app and double-check time settings. If nothing fixes it, contact Roblox support with proof of ownership. That final troubleshooting step resolves stubborn failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.